Understanding devil's advocate, enhancing English language skills. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, devil's advocate. This expression is widely used in conversations and discussions, and understanding it can really enrich your English language skills. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it effectively in conversations. Devil's advocate refers to a person who, regardless of their personal opinion, takes a contrary position in a debate or discussion, purely for the sake of argument or to explore the thought process. This role is important for a thorough examination of all sides of an issue. The key point here is that the person playing the devil's advocate doesn't necessarily disagree. They are simply testing the strength of the opposing arguments. The term, devil's advocate, has an interesting history. It originated from the Roman Catholic Church. During the canonization process, when someone is declared a saint, an official known as the devil's advocate was appointed to argue against the canonization. Their job was to take a skeptical view of the candidate's character and the miracles attributed to them, ensuring that the case for canonization was as strong as possible. When you use the phrase, devil's advocate, in conversation, you're signaling that you are about to argue a point not necessarily because you believe in it, but to explore a different perspective. It's a useful strategy in discussions and brainstorming sessions, as it can uncover potential issues or alternative viewpoints. Example, just to play devil's advocate, what would happen if we don't follow the proposed plan? I agree with your point, but to play the devil's advocate, how would we address potential customer concerns? It's important to understand the context when using the phrase, devil's advocate. Misuse of this term can sometimes lead to misunderstandings, especially if the audience thinks you genuinely hold the contrary view. It's recommended to clarify that you are adopting this position for the sake of argument. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, devil's advocate, and how you can use it to enhance your English communication skills. Remember, learning such expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you engage in more complex and interesting conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next English learning adventure.